Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn fun with numbers 21 to 99, together, step by step. We've learned numbers to 20. Now let's go all the way to 99, using tens and ones. Bigger numbers have tens and ones. 34 is 3 tens and 4 ones. 56 is 5 tens and 6 ones. Count in tens, 10, 20, 30, then add the ones. It's a quick way to count big groups. Compare 47 and 41. Same tens, but 7 ones beats 1, so 47 is bigger. To recap, numbers up to 99 are tens and ones. Count in tens, then ones, and compare the tens first. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.